This is it. Now's my chance. Hey guys, Naisha here, just an average girl, and today's the day. It is time for food and wine. So we're gonna try some of my favorite places to go to, and I look forward to tasting them because this year there are gonna be some incredibly new stuff, some old stuff, but I look forward to it. So let's get to it. All right, look guys, I'm gonna tell you now, Food and Wine is one of my favorite events to go to every year. It is a must from mid-July to mid-November. You can try the most savory meals that EPCOT has to offer, along with seeing your favorite musical artists growing up. If you want to get ready for next year, I highly recommend you come prepared. So here are some tips. Bring friends or family with you because it makes it so much easier to sample all the food that the booths have to offer without filling up too fast. If you're going to venture alone, pace yourself and start with light foods before eating heavier meals. I find that starchy foods can fill you up real fast, so save those for last. If you missed this year's dishes and drinks, don't sweat it. They sometimes bring back their favorite meals from their favorite countries. For example, Australia's lamb chops. That will never go away. If you want to attend the shows, make sure you come early before the crowd. There are even dinner tickets that will get you close to the stage. But make sure to buy them in advance, because they sell out fast. Of course, I'm always here for my Boyz II Men.
This beautiful lady that's walking around with me, that's when she blessed me. Do I feel alright?
Although I will say this year, I was almost close to getting that rose. And for the love of everything that is awesome, get on this ride.
I think we're jumping back.
Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is the most thrilling ride that I've ever experienced. It's like being on a roller coaster teacup ride. Words cannot express the experience that I have just been through. Guardians of the Galaxy is my number one in EPCOT, and which means I am definitely going to be doing a 4-park, one-day experience, adding Guardians of the Galaxy as many times as I can. And with Tron around the corner, that may change too. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned for more adventures ahead. This is Naisha, and I'm just an average girl. Stay tuned.